Alright, party people in the house. This is what we're talking about here. I'm going to turn the volume down for Sam. Sam's the man. Now here is the next project. So as you see here, it's called Final Project. And you might be asking yourself, what does final mean? What does project mean? And what do they mean together? Well, first, here's the size of the document. These are the directions. This is also attached on Moodle. This is the video explaining the directions. So the final project is you're going to create a multi-page website for a company that you create. The website is going to be created with Christmas and cyber themed deals in mind. Directions. Create a company name for an online company that sells 3 types of products. B. Create a website that devotes a page to each type of product. C. There will be a page to sign in or create an account. D. There will also be a page to check out and pay for your cart. Part A. Create a name for an online company that sells 3 types of products. I will be using the following products as an example in these directions on my site. Waffles, hats, used books. Create a name for your company. 3. My favorite website that I make every class go to. Go to freelogodesign.com and create a logo for your company. Website directions. This is the flowchart for the website. So the website is going to consist of 6 different pages: home, product 1, product 2, product 3, sign in, and checkout. So that's 1. This is the home page. The home page links to the product 1 page, product 2, product 3, sign in, and checkout. And again, my products are going to be waffles, hats, and books. Waffles, hats, and books are going to have the same look, and you'll see when I go to explain that further on down. So the home page is going to link to these pages. Now moving on. What will these pages all have in common? All of the linked pages will have the same navigation bar and footer, same color background, same font and font color. Navigation bar directions. The navigation bar will contain the image of your logo. So here's an example right here at the bottom of the screen of the logo. So the logo that you make on freelogodesign.com, you will put inside as an image, as a JPEG, inside of the navigation bar. Casey has already done that, so if you want to ask Casey for his code, he will show you. The links to all 6 pages in the navigation bar. So home, waffles, hats, books, sign in. There's a search bar this time in the navigation bar as well. The search bar doesn't go anywhere. You can just type in it and that's all. And then down here, instead of the word checkout, you're going to have a logo of a grocery cart. That's going to be a link. So, waffles, hats, books, sign in. Active link will separate color from rest. So right here, this is the active link. It is a different color than the purple navigation bar, same as the last project that you had. And when you hover over a link, it's also going to change colors as well. If I could animate what I'm doing right now, I would make this gray, gray, gray as I hover over them. You will copy this to the bottom of the page as your footer. So here's a drawing that I made as an example of what I want it to look like. So the navigation bar at the top, active is home, and we have also the navigation bar at the bottom for the footer is the same thing. So now that we're on the home page, I'm going to explain what this is going to be. So when you go to the home page, the hero image is going to be right at the top of the screen, and you can designate the height of the image right here. This is probably something like 600 or 700 pixels this way, and then the width would be 100%. The text right here over the hero image, you can clarify the size of that. I want it to be pretty large. I'm not going to say exactly how large because I want you to be able to do that. And the text that's going to be right here is going to say something about your sales that are going on, and you're going to have your company name somewhere in here, okay? So if I were doing this, rather than it saying text about sales, it would say something like this. It would say that really big right up here. I would write psychotic cyber deals right up here or something. And then the hero image in the background right here will be something either dealing with Christmas or dealing with your company. So if I'm selling waffles, hats, and books, the hero image in the background would be something pertaining to that stuff. Now, as you scroll down on the home page, you have 1, 2, 3 hero images. This hero image is going to be a picture for product 1, which is waffles in my case. And then there's the hero image right next to it is going to be product 2. That will be hats in my case. And in my case, the hero image 3 will be books. So the image for each of these hero images will be whatever your 1, 2, and 3 products are. And then the text on top of the hero image will be something dealing with a sale that's going on for that product. So for this example right here, this would say waffles, get up to 50% off. That's it. So it would just be a pictures of waffles and a simple text that says waffles, get 50% off waffles. And this right here would say something like 30% off all hats until December 29th. And then this image right here would say books. Books are half off. Buy 3, get 3 free. And the new thing about these hero images are these are going to be active links. So in the past, we've made images as links. This is going to be hero images as links. So where are they going to link? You might be asking yourself. It says right here, this is also going to link to the product 1 page. So my product 1 is waffles. If I click on the hero image right here, it's going to take me to the waffles page. Also in the navigation bar, if I click on the waffles, obviously it's going to take me to the waffles page. This will take me to the hats page. This will take me to the books page. This will take me to the sign in, and this will take me to the checkout. So hero image 2 is going to be product 2. In my case, it's hats. So if I click on this hero image, it's going to take me to the hats page. And 3 is the same. It's going to take me to books if I click on it. So that is pretty simple right there. Now moving on, this text right here just explains what I said, that the hero images are going to be links. Now, this is what the products page is going to look like. So the products 1, products 2, and products 3 are all going to look exactly the same. So waffles, hats, and books in my case are all going to look the same. There's going to be a hero image at the top. How many pixels is this? I don't know. It looks to be about 15% of the height of the web page, and the width is 100%. I can get you better parameters, dimensions later when we actually get into making this, when you get into making this. So the hero image right at the top of the screen is going to deal with whatever that product is. So in this case, it's going to be waffles. So in the background right here, I would have a picture of waffles, and the text obviously is waffles because that's the product. And that is it right there. Notice up here that my link is active. I'm on the waffles page, so it's a different color. And then down here, I have 6 hero images. I'm sorry, not hero images, just regular images. As it says right here, regular image of a waffle. So I would have 1 type of waffle, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'd have 6 different pictures of waffles, and they would all be the same exact size. So they look the same. That's repetition in crap. That's repetition. And then underneath the image, you're going to have the name of the product and the price. That's it. So you just have an image of the product, in my case, waffles, and then the name of that waffle. This would be the super duper waffle, and it would be $100,000. And then I would have an image right here of a moldy waffle, and it would be for free, etc., etc., etc. So if I were to click on the hats page, I would have 6 different types of hats. I would have the name of the hat and the price of the hat. And then up here I would have a hero image of hats, and it would be labeled hats right here in text real big. So that is going to be the same for the hats and the books as well. So moving on to the sign-in page. So when I'm on the sign-in page, you can see that the active link is a different color than the navigation bar, and the big picture in the background is a hero image. It can be anything pertaining to your website, whatever, in whatever capacity that is. It's just one giant hero image. And then inside, instead of regular text, you're just going to have a form. So the form works the same exact way on a hero image as text does. You just, rather than putting a header and a paragraph, you just put a form. And right here is a button. So when you do the hero image and you copy and paste it from W3 Schools, you will already have a button. I believe it says click me. So you would just replace the text with log in. So you have text right here that says name, and then password for somebody that already has an account with you, and then log in. And underneath it is just going to be random text. It doesn't have to link anywhere, and it's just going to say create an account. And again, the hero image in the background can be whatever you want pertaining to your website. And then lastly is the checkout page. So when this is active, you will see that this is a different color than the navigation bar. And here, the checkout page, it can be as simple as you want. It can contain whatever you want it to. It doesn't have to have a hero image. It doesn't have to have anything specifically except for these 2 things, A and B. So you have a form so somebody can put their name, their credit card number, the expiration date of the card, and the shipping address. And then B, underneath that, you'll have checkboxes for what types of credit cards you're using. For instance, Visa, MasterCard, Apple Card, Apple Pay, whatever. So you can just put 2 or 3 different types of checkboxes. That's very easy. In the directions in the Moodle document, I will include links to how to do that for the W3 forms. So this is stuff that we've all done in class. This is sort of just a culmination of everything that we've done. And we're slamming home the hero images. So this image is also contained inside the Moodle topic.